Hey you guys, it's your girl Kay, and I'm here today with an unboxing of the AliPearl Express hair. I'm kind of worried because I'm used to doing sew-ins. I always wear sew-ins. I have one in now, and I'm trying to switch over and do wigs and let my hair be free and breathe. So this should be exciting because I still have the package inside of the FedEx wrapper. Now, you know, I haven't opened it, I haven't seen anything, so you know this is the real deal. I'm worried because I don't know how it's gonna look. I actually stopped at the beauty supply store earlier today just to kind of look at some wigs and try some wigs on just to see was I feeling it, you know, because it's different than sew-ins, you know, it's different. Take it off, put it back on. Sorry y'all, my allergies are so bad. Okay, so I just opened it up. It comes in a box like this. It's cute. I'm liking this already. It tells you how to care for the hair, how to maintain the wig, you know, and I need both of these because the hair I have in is the best. So it really don't require a lot of maintenance. It's just simple stuff for this hair, but I don't know how this wig is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be the same thing or what. Okay, so it comes with a wig cap. This one looks kind of light. I don't know if this is gonna work or not for me, but we'll give it a see. I am light, so this may work. I have no clue. I don't do wigs, so yeah, it comes with a wig cap, which is good. I did get some from the beauty supply store too, which is even better. So it's better to have more than enough than not enough. It comes with a band just in case you have to, you know, adjust the wig at all. You have a band to do that. I don't want to walk around here with my wig loose. I don't know. I'm worried because I don't usually wear wigs. So I don't know about this, you guys. Oh, it comes with, you know, a cute bag, a cute AliPearl bag, which is really, really cute. I love when they give you these because, you know, you can just store your wig in it. You can store other stuff in it. It's just really cute. Kendra's Boutique do the same thing. I ordered from them as well. Okay, let's get to the main thing, the wig. Okay, so it comes with this card here that tells you how to wash your wig. It gives you details on that here. And I'm definitely going to be using this because, you know, I want to make sure I really take care of this wig because this is going to be my everyday wig. I plan on this being my everyday wig. We're going to see how it goes. If not, I'll get something else that's, you know, from a different company. If I do more research and see where I should get them from, I'll do that. But for right now, I'm going to really try to take care of this wig so this can be my everyday wig. And when I work out or anything else, I just wear my hair out and just let it be free. I did get Body Wave. It's a 2x6 Body Wave wig. I want to say I got 22 inches. I'm not sure, but I'll put it in the description box down below. I'll go back and put the link and everything involving this wig down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. But yeah, I just pulled the hairnet off of it. A little bit came off, but that's fine. I mean, it's gonna be shedding. Okay, so here's the wig. Oh, it's so pretty. This is so pretty. Yeah. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, Lord. I'm so excited because I am so ready to take this sew-in out and I'm just going to be the new wig person. I plan on purchasing many, many more wigs just so I can change personalities every day. Every day I'll be somebody new at work or when I go hang out with my friends. Like, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like this so far. I like this so far. So they do have the combs inside, you know, if you have to hook it on to anything. So it'll be better for you to keep the wig on, you know. So I know I have a wig grip. I bought a wig grip for this wig in order for me to, you know, have a better grip on the wig in order to basically let me get right. Okay, I'm kidding. But yeah, so I did get a wig grip because, you know, I felt like it'll make the wig more secure. So I really did purchase one of those. And This is a 2x6 once again. So here's the part. Here's how the part looks. I may not have to do any additional plucking or anything just by the look of this, which is good. So yeah, this is the AliPearl wig. This is a body wave wig. I want to say this is 22 inch, 150 density, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll go back at my details and basically make sure that I'm telling you guys the right thing. So just check the description box later on, and it will basically tell you exactly where I got the wig from. Now, I know it was some back and forth communication between me and customer service, because once I ordered the wig, she reached out to me just to be sure that, you know, I chose the right thing as far as the wig length, the wig, you know, the wig cap size, everything. So she just wanted to double check before she sent it off, and it shipped shortly after that. I will be doing another review on this wig once I get some wear out of it. I'll let you guys know how it holds up and if it's worth your money. And I'm gonna be completely honest, because I hate watching reviews where they don't be honest. Well, thank you guys for your time. I'm excited to see how this wig holds up. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to see how this wig holds up. Thanks for checking in for my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube, but I'm coming with more bangers